Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Venkat, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make Town of Imposter mod on cracked version Among Us. Here is the latest cracked version which I have downloaded from Steam on Lockwood.net, and this is the file which we are going to dump into this Among Us game. So if you want to get this file, you can find the link in the description. You can get it from there. Okay, this is the link that I'm going to provide in the description, and you can see each and every details of these mods. It includes many different mods like plumber, informant, mayor, and other thing, viper, hitman. So here is table of content. You can see each and everything, and they provide installation steps. Mm, and you got and this is the latest version which is on my screen right here. You can see 1.9.2, and this is version 1.9.2. You can see that, and you can also update the mod, and you need to follow these instructions to do that. And you can also add custom hats in this. You need to follow this out. Okay, if possible I will make another video about these things, but as for now I'm not going to do that. Okay, like this you can able to do, and you can also add custom colors, guys. So here are the roles of each mod. You can read them out if you want. I'm not going to do that now right now. And also they have included streamer mod in it, so you can check that yourself. So now I'm going to extract the file which I have downloaded. Okay, these are the files. Let me paste them in Among Us game. So once you have done that, close this and refresh your PC twice or thrice, and then open the game again. So for the first time it could consume much time than other times, so be patient for the first time. So let's wait until it opens. So it is going to open, guys. You can see that. So if you have done everything perfectly fine, you can see this message here, guys. Town of Imposters version 1.9.2, and you got stream mode here. I don't know what that means, but you can test that yourself, and they have provided the Discord link here itself, so you can check that, guys. That's my date of birth. So let's jump into one of the lobby and I will show you that. And in this cracked version you may not be able to use custom name and free chat, so if you want to use them you can check the videos which I have uploaded in our channel. So let's go and join this. So here you can see settings menu, and there are different mods here. I don't know what they are meant to do, but you can check that yourself, guys. I can able to click on it, and I don't know what exactly they are meant to. Okay, I'm going to leave now. Okay, guys, you can also see here previous settings and next settings option, and let me check anything. Oh, you can see there are bunch of many colors. Wow, you got different images. Damn, it's good. Wow, there are many hats. You can use whichever you want. So you can check them yourself, guys, and pets are very same. So here also settings, there are many settings, you can check them out yourself. So okay, guys, I'm going to leave now. Click on back. Okay, now let me show you the second method which works on Steam. So I'm not going to do that, but I will let you know how to do that. So let me extract this file again. So here we got the files, Control X. So now open Steam, guys. So here we have Among Us game. Click on properties, click on local files, click on browse game, and one folder will show up. Now here you need to paste that files, and if you want to get back to normal game, don't worry about it, guys. You can directly delete all this. Don't worry, you may not lose game, and you will not going to lose that. So I'm going to close this, and now when you click on verify integrity of game files, it is going to download back again as new fresh Among Us. So don't worry about anything. Okay, now I'm going to close this, guys, and it's same, but in Steam version you can able to chat and you can able to use custom name. So I think for mods, free chat is most important, because if you want to change mod you need to have free chat access. Okay, guys, and also if you love to know more about Among Us content, you can subscribe to the channel, guys. I will be doing regular streams on Among Us and posting regular videos on Among Us, so you can subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video, guys. So bye everyone.